time for a second title defense. This will be King of the Hill number 12. And before the race, we gotta have a pick your ride. And I have 16 cars, all hand-picked, hand-selected from eBay. Well, let's get this 16 car pick your ride started. Is this Hot Wheels Pro Racing Kyle Petty. I've seen a lot of guys on a lot of channels have a lot of speed with this car. So we're gonna throw it in. If you want this car, pick Kyle Petty in the comments below. Next up, Blue Line made this car quite famous. It's the Hot Wheels Man of Steel. It's a pretty light casting, but it's a really fast casting at the same time. If you want this car, pick Man of Steel. What's a King of the Hill without Johnny Lightning? We have this Electra, metal base, extra cool paint style. Ought to be a fast casting. If you want this car, put Electra in the comments below. I thought I'd keep going with some of the DC Hot Wheels character cars, and we have the Joker GT. We'll see if he's got any speed. If you want the Joker, you know what to do. And the next one up is this Hot Wheels character car Two-Face. Now he is a nice heavy casting. I do have another one of these that is pretty quick, so be interesting to see what he can do. Next up is this Flying Customs 1977 Plymouth Arrow. He's no stranger to speed. You want this car, put Plymouth Arrow in the comments below. We have this Johnny Lightning's Truck in America, this 60s Studebaker Champ. He's got a nice heavy metal bottom. Hopefully his wheels are good and he'll be a quick one. If you want this truck, put Studebaker Pickup in the comments below. Next one up is this Johnny Lightning Street Freaks. It's a 2001 Nissan Skyline. Nice heavy casting metal bottom, of course. We'll see what he can do. If you want this car, Skyline in the comments below. And another character car, who doesn't want a Batman? He's not overly heavy, but we'll see. Maybe he's quick like Superman. Next one up is this Cars Claire Gunzer. David on Elevation Diecast loves these cars. I'm gonna race 3 of them and take the fastest one and enter it in the King of the Hill. If you want this car, put Claire Gunzers in the comments below. Uh-oh, I feel something really heavy. We got this Volkswagen medical van from Siku, really heavy casting, and if he loses, at least he'll be on standby for anybody that gets hurt. Next up is this Fast and Furious Women of Fast. We have this custom Corvette Stingray Coupe. We have a Tiger Wheels, this 1970 Chevy Chevelle. Ought to be a fast casting. He is heavy car. We'll see. Hopefully his wheels are good. And the final 3 cars, we have this Fast and Furious Women of Fast Ford GT40. We'll see how fast she is. Plastic bottom, decent weight to her. We'll see. And the next car up is this Hot Wheels Ultra Hots. And I had to pick up another wind splitter. You know he's gonna be quick. And the final car, can you imagine me not having a Hot Wheels King of the Hill without a Soul Air in the mix? I couldn't resist. I did leave out the 280 ZXs, but I threw in a silver Soul Air. They always do well at my track. You want this one, pick Soul Air in the comments below. We have a lot of really fast cars competing for this next King of the Hill. I'll try to have it posted in about a week. Good luck picking a car. And if you win, you'll have forever glory as the KITT Racing King of the Hill. See you all real soon.